Kia ora. I was hoping that was going to grab your attention and get some life into you late on a Tuesday afternoon. Fabrum is a technology development company based in Christchurch, New Zealand, or booth number 8. Formed in 2004 to deliver innovative technology globally to reduce humans' impact on climate through reduced emissions in the mobility sector. As per that video, a vision is absolutely pointless without application. We've delivered a number of projects around the globe, and I'd like to background both the technology and those projects, specifically with regarding LN2, liquid hydrogen, should I say, into decarbonising industry. And in doing so, I'm going to talk specifically to some products and projects for our clients that are supporting them on their journey to decarbonise and transition to lower emission fuels. Liquefiers and transfer systems. Drawing from a legacy of over a decade in providing cryogenic containerized systems worldwide, Fabrum's liquid hydrogen plants are designed for point-of-use liquid hydrogen production and Boyle off-gas management. At the core of these innovative systems lies a pulse tube cryocooler powered by a patented pressure wave generator, which absolutely eliminates the necessity for sacrificial liquid nitrogen as a pre-cooling loop, and is therefore making a significant improvement in efficiency. Current systems are running up to 1 tonne a day. We've got applications in aviation through to heavy industry. We can go through to 2 tonne a day of on-site liquefaction as well. Standalone, fully autonomous, operated remotely, with an ability to support refueling of up to 1,200 kilograms per hour. One example of this is application within a Western Australian mining. Sorry, I've got to keep clicking buttons here. A Western Australian mining facility. You can see there the liquefier. That's sub 0.5 tonne a day of on-site production. It's working in an ambient temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. It has the ability to ramp with renewable energy. And also you can see with the fueling boom there from the bulk storage, it's got the ability to do zero boil-off transfer of fueling. Let's talk about mobility storage solutions for heavy industry. What sits on the end of that fueling boom? Ground-based vehicle tanks with an outer metal skin are engineered for maximum durability, using proprietary pressure build systems to enable delivery of gas at pressure, flow, and temperature to either fuel cells or internal combustion engines. The technology also enables us to provide an enriched oxygen feed to fuel cells to reduce compressor loads and also reduce pressure to the fuel cell. And with direct burn applications, it's a dramatic reduction in NOx. Here you can see a mobile power unit, liquid hydrogen to fuel cell, 1 megawatt of power production tethered to a 5-tonne excavator, electric. The system is fully remote from any form of grid connection. So what if you want to go off ground? Fabrum's groundbreaking composite technology of over 2 decades of research and development in the fields of cryogenics and composites has enabled us to develop 100% composite fuel storage systems, primarily for aviation, It enables us to actually get the maximising the gravimetric index up to 75%. More fuel for total system weight. Most people playing in the composite world struggle with this idea of zero permeability of a composite system. Our technology, which we've developed with helium and hydrogen over the last 15 to 20 years, has absolute zero permeability. We managed to hold long-term permanent vacuums of 10 to the minus 9, which enables us to deliver systems with dramatically reduced thermal losses. They're a vacuum-insulated composite system, utilising MLI insulation as well. This technology can be applied in a hybrid solution where you're looking to reduce weight out of bulk storage systems that you're using for deliveries. Where you're using steel, etc., you run the penalty of potentially only 10% fuel load to total trailer weight. When you utilise composites as an internal skin, you have this ability of actually increasing that payload considerably to total weight. The additional piece of this is what we call our third skin. Again, another piece of patented technology. In terms of the liquid hydrogen tanks, we run an inner third layer which has a lower thermal mass. It reduces refueling by up to refueling Boyle off by up to 70%. It also acts as a secondary fail-safe if there's any breach of the vacuum liner. So if there's a loss of vacuum, therefore insulation, this third layer reduces the boil off or the heat up in terms of the internal storage of the liquid. Now, in a world where regulators want to see less and less greenhouse gas emissions, the focus is becoming now on LNG and LH2 venting and transfer loss venting. Again, Fabrum has deployed into the market several systems for both LNG and LH2, where we can sit on existing storage installations without any additional internal architecture required in the storage tanks, and we can provide 100% boil-off management. The technology also enables preconditioning of storage and fueling infrastructure pre-refueling activity. So rather than having to release or vent the storage system so that you can do a pressure flow from a mobile unit and having to splash the unit to actually build pressure, this system can actually reduce the pressure without any venting and precondition the receiving unit for transfer without pumping. As I said earlier, the application here is for liquid hydrogen as well as liquid natural gas, and very easy to fit to existing infrastructure. At Fabrum, we play with a number of things: automotive, marine, industrial, and aviation. I'd invite you across to booth B08 if you want to know more about this. But hopefully the key difference you're seeing is that it's technology that has been developed and is in application now. And I steal a little bit off Nike here, where Nike say, just do it. At Fabrum, we say, we just did it. I've got a little bit of a smile. All of this technology is about enabling application of liquid hydrogen in industry. I know it's late on a Tuesday, so rather than carry on with this, if there's any of you that want specific information about any of this technology, booth B08, more than happy to talk to you. Kia ora, and thank you for your time.